Victorian children will join a groundbreaking trial of medicinal cannabis as a potential treatment for severe epilepsy. It comes as the state government confirms plans to legalise the use of cannabis products by the end of the year. Laura Spurway reports.
Every day is a blessing for Cooper Wallace and his family since his parents started treating his severe epilepsy with cannabis oil.
He's off a lot of pharmaceutical medication. He's crawling, sitting, beginning to stand, so doing very well.
It's illegal, but cases like Cooper's are the basis of a multi-million-dollar trial in New South Wales, examining the medical benefits of certain cannabis products. Today, the Premier announced Victoria will take part.
There are 25 Victorian children who have similar conditions to Cooper, and they'll definitely benefit from being part of this.
Enrolments for the trial will start in the middle of next year. It will also examine adults with terminal illnesses and chemotherapy patients.
Legalising medicinal cannabis without the information is putting patients at risk.
Doctors argue clinical evidence from the trials is needed before governments can legalise medicinal cannabis. Labor is waiting on advice from the Law Reform Commission, but wants to act as soon as possible. The results of the trials are expected to take 2 to 5 years, so the Andrews government will rely heavily on information from the Law Reform Commission report to progress its legalisation bid.
We do need to wait for both parts of the equation. Only then can we safely prescribe in certain circumstances.
But for Cooper's parents, the wait has already been long enough, and each step towards reform is a step closer to a life with their son.
We've got Cooper every day smiling at us, so that makes it worth it at the end of the day.
Laura Spurway, 9 News.